opposite words. Part 1. The first word is happy, and opposite of that is sad. Happy, sad. The next word is in, and opposite word is out. In, out. The next one is before, and opposite word for that is after. Before, after. The next word is fat, and opposite word is thin. So it's fat, thin. The next word is active, and the opposite is lazy. Active, lazy. Next is big, and the opposite is small. So it's big, small. The next word is brave, and the opposite of brave is scared. Brave, scared. The next one is open. Like you can see in the picture here the door is being opened. And the opposite of open is close. So it's open, close. The next word is day, and the opposite word is night. So it's day, night. Moving on, the next one is hot, and the opposite word is cold. So it's hot, cold. The next word is sunny, and the opposite word for that is rainy. Sunny, rainy. The next is clean, and opposite is dirty. Clean, dirty. The next one is up. Like you can see here, the ball is bouncing upwards, and the opposite for up is down. Up, down. The next one is fast, and the opposite for that is slow. Fast, slow. Moving on, the next word we have on our list is near, and opposite for that is far. Near, far. And the last word for the day is tall, and the opposite for that is short. Tall, short. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know so many different pairs of opposite words. And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.